Krakow. Kings once walked these streets, and you're stuck squinting at a guide's laminated map. Big bus tours that skim the old town in an hour. A rehearsed script, while the real Krakow, the dragon legends, the wartime secrets, gets left behind. Uvamai's Krakow self-guided audio tour puts the royal capital entirely in your hands. Just an access link sent straight to your inbox. Press play and wander Krakow at your own rhythm. No group, no rigid schedule, no rushing. Begin at Krakow's Central Railway Station. Walk through St. Florian's Gate and stand before the legend of the Wawel Dragon. Wander into Kazimierz's rich Jewish history and let every cobblestone tell its own story on your time, not someone else's. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Krakow, not just photograph it. $6. Krakow's legends, history, and hidden corners. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.